Part 10 of Chapter 4. Shamsuddin was one day at Baghdad and entered into one of the palaces there. A eunuch who saw him enter without being himself visible made a sign to a slave to go and drive away the mendicant. The slave drew his sword and raised it to strike, but his arm withered and fell palsied. The eunuch then motioned to another slave to execute the commission, and he too became similarly incapacitated. Shems then went away of himself, and none dared to pursue him. 2 days later, the eunuch died also. And, well, people shouldn't make a profession out of fagging, but there's, even if you have doubt, don't just drive away the beggar. Because these stories aside, sometimes, yeah, it may ill affect you.